Jade, your smallest to largest debts. Can you walk us through all those one at a time? Smallest to largest.
So I have two bank credit cards. So the first one payoff is $500. That was my first one that I took out. I have a second credit card that is $300 to pay off, and then I have a store credit card that is also $300 to pay off.
Okay. What about this other loan?
So I have a four-wheeler loan that I ended up taking out when I was 19, so a little over a year ago. It was $3,500, I think, with maybe a 4-6% interest rate. I haven't checked it.
Is it still $3,500, or have you paid it down?
So my boyfriend actually ended up taking out the loan himself, but my parents were telling me if you really want to help your credit out, you should probably